welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the repeated keyboard synth part to Stay by the Kid LAROI and Justin Bieber. So it's the same keyboard riff, if you like, that runs throughout the entire song. So that's what I'll be teaching you today, what you heard in the preview. I've left my other Justin Bieber tutorials linked in the description. So let's dive in. So this one is in the key of B flat minor. So on the screen are all the notes to the scale of B flat minor. So we have 5 flats and these are the notes we are using. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. And here is middle C just as a reference point. So here is the first line of this riff. The left hand is going to play a G flat, and then the right hand we play C, D flat, A flat, D flat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... You don't have to hold the left hand down, you can go. And then the next part we have A flat, and then the right hand plays C, D flat, and then this A flat this time. So if I join it from the beginning. And then the left hand moves up to B flat, and we play that first bit again in the right hand, so B flat. So if I join it in from the beginning, so the left hand is going up 1 like this, the first 3 bars. And then we have an F in the left hand, and the right hand we go C, D flat, A flat, B flat. So all together so far, and this is the first half. And then we repeat the first 3 bars again. But then this time it's a little bit different. So we still play the F in the left hand, and then we play C, D flat, C, A flat, B flat. Or again, you don't have to hold the left hand down. So again, the second half goes like this. And the whole thing starts again. So I'm going to play it a couple of rounds through, and then I'll show you different ways you could play it. I'll show you on a different sound setting on my hybrid piano as well, just for a bit of fun. So again, that's repeated throughout the whole song. So you could, if you wanted to incorporate the pedal, the sustain pedal, if you have one, you could put the pedal down and then refresh the pedal every time your left hand hits a new note. Refresh. 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 You could play octaves if you want to in the left hand. So I know my lowest notes there are out of shot. So I don't have a very similar sound to the one that's on the track, but I do have one that has a bit of a delay echo effect on it. So you could, if you have this on your keyboard or piano, you could experiment with different effects. Of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.